Oh, snaps! Oh, snaps! What the? It was doing so good. Man. What is up, YouTube? Today, we're in my mom's Toyota Camry. And as you can see, she's got a really bad radiator leak. How do you know your Camry is an American-made Camry? Open up your driver door. In the second portion here, it says Kentucky. So mine is a Kentucky American-made vehicle. Oh, she fits. Oh, she fits. Yeah. Money saved, babe. An original Denso. There's the part number 2210506. We'll put this in the link below. We're gonna need to take this whole metal bracket out.
Let's start with these plastic ones. 10 millimeters. Got one down here, one on the top. For this latch. Slide my hand under here just in case it falls. I can catch it. Perfect.
These are your horns. I'm going to disconnect that one. Oh, looks like these are attached. Okay. Hey. And there's still something hanging on to it. This guy. Hey.
Okay. So that's about it. That's the piece right there.
Do want to mention real quick that this video is for the giveaway. That's right. So I got this radiator, Denso, installed it, DIY, big time. And this old one right here is going to be recycled. I'm going to take it to the recycling center. Hopefully they give me $10, and that is going to be the giveaway. $10 I'm going to be giving away for a recycled radiator. And all you got to do is like, comment, subscribe. So it's not a whole lot, but I mean, like, comment, subscribe, and you get 10 bucks. What do you guys think? Okay. Now we gotcha. Kind of, but doesn't really want to hold too much. It's all right. I think already. Yep. Okay, so this one just popped right off of there. Oh, and it popped right back in. No. Okay. Gee, it fell right back in. That was crazy. Let's turn it around. Disconnect them. There you go. Little wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. All right, this one right here is gonna be crazy too. See if I get lucky by just pulling on this. And there you go. Just back and forth, got it off. Push it down and pull. I have a ramp that I'm gonna be using, but you could also do this on the floor. Just make sure to get it in the correct points. In this cool Milwaukee light bar. It's 3 times more expensive, but it lasts 3 times longer. And it is just amazing. Also with my Milwaukees. And every time I break a tool, because tools break, I always upgrade to Milwaukee. There's a tray that needed to be removed here. This one's already gone. Removing these 2 transmission lines, this one and this one. And I'm going to be putting these bolts in there so they don't leak. Ow, that hurt. Put this guy on it. Oh no, I need a bigger bolt. Okay, that one works pretty good, but this line is still leaking. We're gonna lose a little bit of transmission now, so make sure to check it when we're done. Getting a little difficult to just remove it. So let me help it push it along with my screwdriver. There you go. Don't worry, Mom, your car's gonna be fine. I know it looks like a giant mess, but it's gonna be okay. Do you trust me?
Should I?
Yes! YouTube friends, you guys are all invited to Pozole at my mom's house. Let's see what happens here. Oh no! It missed the damn bucket! Hopefully there's no more water. Thank God. That was crazy with the water. I'm just gonna push mine back. There you go. There we go. I can still feel the weight of it. The grommets. And here's the other grommet. This one stayed here, so one goes there. The other one goes here, and I'm just gonna leave them there. I'm not gonna put them on my radiator. We got them side by side and we can compare them. I ended up going, that's right, with the thicker radiator. This is the 1-inch thick radiator. And I know there's 2 different ones depending on American built or Japanese built. And I'm gonna put a link to this one because I'm not sure 100% if this one works for both. But it looks like it's gonna work because everything, even the hose sizes here, I think that's the difference. They look like they are looking pretty good. And I'm upgrading because that's a really thin radiator. You can see it, and this one's a lot thicker. Wow. Oh. 2 and 3. I have it at the weakest setting. We're gonna want to line up these bottom teeth with those little things down there. Ugh. Okay, I think I got it. That was really easy. Clip back. Awesome. Hose. Hose. Oh, and it fits perfectly. Part number is 221-0506. This is the Denso one, and this is an upgraded radiator. It has 1 inch thick, so it's a lot thicker than our ugly original radiator. So it's gonna be heavy duty and work even better. I'm gonna put down a link in the description so you can buy this one. Next, we're gonna plug in our little tiny hose. Oh my God. Gotta pinch it. There you go. And what I like to do is put these right back where I got them. So you see how it has that indentation there? I'm gonna put this clamp exactly in the same indentation. Start with this actually, since I did this second. This is gonna be the hardest part of this job. I got it. Yes. 1, 2, and done, baby. Woo. For these guys, it has it built into there. The radiator fits or sits. Clips on there. This one I broke it. Horns back together. 1. Easy peasy. Tightening them down. I just have it on hand tight now. Oh. Let's do the bottom. Also need to buy lift supports, so I'll be buying them and installing them, and later. But I'll get them on Amazon. I'll put a link down for the correct one. Beautiful. Look at that. Pull these bolts out and be ready for some spillage. Perfect. Don't you just love it when everything fits perfect? All right, guys, we are done, and our new radiator is installed. Original radiator, Denso. Everything fit perfectly, and that's why you get Denso. Like the video, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.